Imagine life as the most intricate and expansive game ever played. An open-world adventure where every player has unique starting stats and faces diverse environments that can either elevate or challenge them. It's a vast realm of opportunities and uncertainties.
The so-called game of life. Life, despite its apparent complexity, follows a design that's surprisingly straightforward. So listen, we will make it simple and fast, so you don't make it complicated it into your mind.
Level 1, find food. Find a shelter or bed to sleep at night. In life is all about having a roof over your head and enough food to eat. It's the basic foundation that ensures you're not homeless or hungry. Without this foundation, it's tough to think about anything else. So remember, your first goal is to make sure you have a place to sleep and food to nourish yourself. It's starting point. Level 2, remain alive, do not die early. In life is all about staying safe and alive. It's more complex because it's not just about having a comfortable bed. It's about being in an environment free from danger. Some people may have a bed, but they can't sleep due to dangerous situations like gunshots or violence around them. So this level is about ensuring your safety and well-being so you don't face threats to your life. It reminds us that having a safe environment is essential for a good start. Level 3, find the right people. Life is all about relationships. It's finding the people you care about and who care about you in return. Sounds fun, right? Well, here's the catch. It's not always easy because, let's face it, many people aren't that great. This level reminds us that building meaningful and positive relationships is important, even though it can be challenging at times. It's about finding your tribe and creating connections that matter. Level 4, do something that's important and valuable to both yourself and others. Number 4 is about doing something important and valuable. It's about building skills or knowledge that not only benefit others, but also make you feel pretty awesome. It's the level where you contribute to the world and at the same time boost your self-esteem. So remember, find something meaningful to work on and become a bit of a badass in the process. It's a win-win. Level 5, build your legacy. Ensuring your life had a meaningful impact even after you're gone. It's like making sure your story continues to inspire others long into the future. You might get a head start if your parents did a good job guiding you through the first few levels, but even if they weren't perfect, you can still work on creating your unique legacies. So aim to make your life count for something special and be remembered for the positive mark you leave behind. In the grand game of life, remember that you hold the controller. Your life is your game, and the ultimate goal is not just to complete these levels, but to excel in them. So go out there, face the challenges, unlock your potential, and leave a legacy that echoes throughout time. Your story is unique, and your legacy is yours to build. Success is not just about reaching the end. It's about mastering every level along the way. You got this, my friend. Consider subscribing to our channel.